In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to upload your document to verify your account on TapTap Send. The first thing you should do or know is that whenever TapTap Send requires you to verify your account, you'll probably receive a notification. Go ahead and look for that notification and open it up. Once you've found it, proceed to the next step. On the notification, you'll see an option to upload your ID. Check on it. You'll be directed to a new window where you will need to choose the type of ID you want to provide. This could be your driver's license or any other accepted form of ID. Once selected the type, take a clear picture of it. Simply click on the camera icon on the TapTap Send verification screen and snap a photo of your ID. After submitting your ID, you'll be asked to take a selfie. Make sure to follow the instructions on your screen carefully. Once you've taken a clear selfie, proceed to the next step. Just hit the submit button to send in your documents and information. Now, all you need is to wait for TapTap Send to verify your account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.